Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Twitter notifications in your Discord server using NotifyMe. If you don't know it, NotifyMe is a notification bot used in more than 300,000 servers that supports YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and Kick, and now Twitter too. The cool part is that you don't need to provide a Twitter account session to make this work. You literally just paste a public profile link, pick a Discord channel, and you're done. So I'll walk you through the whole setup, and by the end of the video, your server will be getting tweet notifications automatically, just like this one. So first, go to notifyme.bot and log in with your Discord account. Once you're in, open the dashboard and pick the server you want to set this up on. Twitter is a premium feature right now, so inside the server dashboard, just enable premium on the server. Now, right below the server name, there's a platform dropdown. Click it and select Twitter, then hit Add Account. There are only two things you need to fill in here: the link of the Twitter profile you want to track, and the Discord channel where the notification should go. There's also some optional stuff like customizing the message or pinging a role whenever there's a new tweet. Nice to have, but you can skip it if you want. Now hit Add Account, and that's it. The bot is now watching that account, and your server will get notified whenever there's a new tweet, retweet, or quoted tweet, depending on the content types you select. I'm going to tweet something now just to test, and let's see if we get it on Discord. And there it is, just like I showed you at the start, the bot is already working. And yeah, that's the whole setup. You can add lots of accounts, and the same steps also work for YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and Kick too. Links to the bot and the guides are in the description if you want to try it out. Thanks for watching.